Opening the AI Assistant. I'll just drop in this product shot and talk to it naturally. Look at that. It's not just placing elements, it's understanding composition, color theory, brand aesthetics, all in real time. Actually, make the headline more playful. There. It gets nuance. It gets creativity. But what if I need to change just the bag color? Change the bag to sunset orange, but keep everything else exactly the same. Perfect. Every shadow, every reflection, preserved. This is flux context precision, surgical creative control. Perfect. Now let me show you how fast this really gets. I've got this stunning template from our library. Use this template, but swap in my bag and update the text to match our sale. Watch how it maintains the template's design system while making it completely mine. Intelligent adaptation, not just copy-paste. Time to take this campaign global. Create versions for our European markets, French, Spanish, and Italian. But wait for it. Here's where it gets crazy. Should I update the pricing to euros for these markets? There it is. It's not just executing, it's thinking ahead. It's being your creative partner. But here's what really blows my mind. Watch this complete context switch. Build a 3-slide product launch presentation for our new meditation app, Dreamer. Now it's thinking like a product strategist. Slide 1, the big reveal. Slide 2, key features that matter. Slide 3, the rollout plan. From ads to decks and all on brand. One AI, every creative need, every business moment. And that's just the beginning. One conversation, infinite possibilities. This isn't just an assistant. It's creative intelligence that understands your needs,